All right, we're live. All right, I'm going to just crack some random packs and wait for some people to join to enjoy the live stream. As you probably know, we're here to open some Urza's Destiny. Not to open, but to pack out some Urza's Destiny. We got some packs, some envelopes here. The first box. We have box 2 right here ready to go. So we're going to give it some time, let some people join in so they can enjoy the show live. All of this will be uploaded on YouTube as well. So let's start with Battle Bond. See if we can get something fun here. All right. I don't remember what order Battle Bond is in. Rare's up front. Apocalypse Hydra. Thrasher Brute. Hey, Fernando. Thanks for joining. And some stuff. All right. That was fun. Next Battle Bond pack. Let's go Mycosynth Lattice. Come on. Come on. Little Swamp. Oh, that's nice though. Nice Seedborn Muse. I'll use that. Culling Dice. Lava Overlord. Alright. See if we can get a misprint. Look how weird this pack is. This is in a box of Fallen Empires, and I opened like 15 packs out of it. Packs where this was short and this was long were all misprints. So I've actually sold a lot of those on the misprint page, and I'm going to sell the packs next from there. But I'm going to see if I can find any other tendencies in this box. So far, when I've opened these ones where the flap on the top is long, they have not been misprints. But Fallen Empires is always fun to open. Initiates of the Ebon Hand. Spore Cloud. Mind Stab Thrall. The Basalt Thrall. This is the first set I ever bought back in 94. 95 Basalt Thrall. I think that's our rare. Vidalian Soldiers. Priest. Beautiful art. No good, but beautiful art. And no misprints. Alright, let's do like one more here. One more of the off-centered towards the bottom packs. I opened 3 or 4 of these out of the box. And they were not misprints like the others. But hey, well, that's some bad centering, but not enough to be a misprint. All right, maybe we'll get lucky here in the middle of the pack, though. Goblin Grenade, I wish that was a misprint. Oh, that'd be so much money. High Tide. Vacation Money Changer. Brass Claw Orcs. And we're not going to get any misprints. Usually it's here in pack 3 and 4. Javeliners. Roman Soldier. Feralite Priest. Goblin Kites. The power level in that set is staggering. All right, what time is it? We are 2 minutes in, still only one watcher. Let's open a couple of, well, let's do this kind of evenly spaced pack here. See if there's anything else to be seen in this box of hoarders. Initiates of the Ebon Hand. Alternate art, another Goblin Grenade. That's my favorite art on Goblin Grenade. Armor Thrall. Necrite. Vacation Scout. Goblin War Drums. Soul Exchange. Love that art too. And Sand Silos for probably 50 cents. Okay. Alright. Fallen Empire is performing as well as it usually does. Let's move over to some of these newer ones. I'm not going to get any more misprints out of that box, I feel, other than the 5 or 15 packs that I'm going to auction off. Let's check in with Amonkhet. Let's get an invocation here. All right, some commons up front. Don't need to really look at those. It's a pretty card. Uncommons, Cryptic Serpent, Vizier of Tumbling Sands, On-Crop Asher, Glorybringer. Well, nothing big there. Pretty much all bulk. Let's check out another one here. Skip ahead. camera here. Nest of Scarabs, Exemplar of Strength, and Pull from Tomorrow. Okie dokie, last chance for Amonkhet. Let's go. Force of Will. Force of Will Invocation. That's what we want here. Skip some of these. Sun-Scorched Desert. Glory by 4. Seraph of the Suns. Whoops, just showed all our rare. Gravedigger. Back in the camera, Mike. Shadow of the Grave. Plains. Some of the worst land art in the game here in Amonkhet. Alright, Legions. I don't even remember what's good in Legions. Legions Sliver Overlord? Something like that? Alright, let's see what we get. Oh, it just doesn't even matter. Look how gorgeous those borders are after that new stuff. Wing Invoker. Goblin Turncoat. Vigilante. Daru Stinger. Blood Celebrant. Skirk Outrider. Infernal Caretaker. Keen Eye Aven. Wall of Hope. I think Wall of Hope's actually worth like 75 cents or $1 or something. Merchant of Secrets. Aven Warhawk. Epheto Exterminator. Brontotherium. Imperial Hellkite. It's a big creature. Alright, Scars of Mirrodin. Come on. Something. I think Mox Opal. Doubling Cube. No, that's Mirrodin. Oh, I love these old borders so much more. I don't like the color on the artifacts back this time, though. Still Infection. Cyst Bearer. That's cute. Glint Hawk Idol. Alpha Terranex. Shatter. Moriok. Replica. Psychic Miasma. And more commons, more commons. I don't see any of them that are worth much. Uncommons, Twisted Image. Rusted Relic. Tower of Calamities is our rare. I don't know what that one's worth. Plains. Soldier. Alright, well, we'll scan those all later. I guess we're getting all the audience we're going to get. Everybody else can check it out in YouTube. Let's get our random number determined here. So basically what we're going to do, we've got packs 1 through 36 in order here. We're going to pick a random number using random.org. So we've got one number between 1 and 36. Format 5 columns doesn't matter because it's just one number. And this will determine where we start in this list. We're going to go top to bottom, 1 through 7, or you know, top to bottom, left to right, all the way down here. All right, let's get our number. And we're starting at 18. 16, 17, 18. All right, let's put these at the bottom. Ooh, wow. How often do you rip one of these open? See, nice tight seal. This is a gorgeous box. It's almost a shame to crack it. I do have some more coming, so that's nice. Shout out to the gentleman that I worked a deal with on that one. So, yeah, beautiful box. Let's do the irreversible. Oh, look how shiny that is. Smells nice. And destroy the wrapper so that no one can ever use it again for anything stupid. Alright, so if the packs are jumbled up at all, I'm just going to straighten them up the best I can, and then we'll just proceed with the order sometimes. Oh, they're beautiful. Wow. Oh. Look at that. Oops, let's... Look at that. Can you imagine that sitting on your LGS for $4 a pack, 80 bucks a box, something like that? Okay, Levi, pack 1. Here you go. Let's fold these little... Let's just get this kind of out of our way here. Pack 1, Levi. Here you go. Try to keep this on camera, but not still be able to see what I'm doing. And sealed away. Tim. There you go. Urza's Destiny pack. Ooh, look at that. There you go. Next one is John L. There you go. Hey, John L., you just joined. You know what? Give me just a second. I just realized that I did not post the sign-up sheet. I guess it doesn't matter. It's written on the envelopes. John L., there you go. Next up, Scott H. Scott H. on its way to you. Alex coming up next. There you go. Scott H again. Let's load it up here. Seal it up. It's on its way to you. All right. I apologize for the bad lighting and everything. I'm in a garage. We're building a house. I'm just in a rental. I don't have a good setup or anything. All right. Gregory N. Pack 24 coming up for you. Well, not pack 24, but spot 24. Since we started at 18, it's only pack 6. There we go. John L. coming at you. Alex F. Sealed up. Heading out. Sean F. Getting, I think we're back over here. All right. Your pack. Man, these videos are tedious. I'm not really a YouTuber, so I don't have anything clever or interesting to say while I do this other than here's your pack. Here's an envelope. Off we go. Maybe I should play music for the next one. Levi, pack's on the way. So I should be able to get Bill Q. I should be able to get these all tracked, uploaded, and dropped off Monday. I didn't expect to do 2 boxes. That's 62 shipments. That's quite a bit. If it takes me a day or two to get you, well, not certainly, if it takes me until Tuesday to get you shipping, I apologize. But I will get them out as quickly as I can. Tom M, there's your pack. Gosh, these are beautiful. You know, when we did our revised box, I mean, they were just so beat up. These are just so nice. You know, revised had that older, Jason A, you know, the older pack art where they just kind of inked on the surface. It was the semi see-throughable plastic, and they would take a beating. You know, that whole really alpha through revised time period. And even if you crack a brand new box, there's no guarantee your packs even look any good. They're not searched or anything. They just look terrible. And I felt bad doing that one, but hey, you know, it is it's still a 20-year-old sealed pack. But these are gorgeous. Very minty. All right, Jeffrey B. As I noted before, this video will go up on YouTube. Feel free to like screenshot, save, you know, whatever you want to do. If you want to keep these sealed up and you know, use this as a what is it? Proof of you know, chain of custody. You know, you can do that and maybe retain some premium here. Otherwise, just crack them and know that you're getting a fair shot at you know, some sweet foils or just some brand new pack fresh Urza's Destiny cards. There's some comments in the under the post about what you can do with these and some, you know, searching and whatnot. You can't really search these packs, but you can weigh them. The foils weigh about 1/10 of a gram more. And so if you have any sort of quality scale, you can easily identify which pack has a foil and just open that one and then sell the rest as if they were brand new or something like that, when obviously they're not. Of course, the other thing is you open a box until you get the foil rare, and then you just sell the rest of the packs. That's why you should almost never buy a pack on the open market that isn't fresh from a box if you're planning on opening it. There's certainly still plenty of value in, you know, a sealed Revised or Legends or Arabian Nights, you know, any of that, just by the fact that it's sealed, even if you suspect it's searched, if it looks beat up. You know, it still has, I mean, it's still a very expensive booster pack. You just wouldn't want to open it because you're probably going to get hosed. Or just search it yourself and open it if it's good, right? Alright. Well, this is going to take a while. Got one more box to do after this. Mr. SoCal buying up all the packs. Certainly appreciate it. Jeffrey. Straighten our stuff up here again. Sean. Cody. There we go. John L. I'm bumping my camera all around. Sorry, I don't have a tripod. It's literally taped to the top of a Modern Horizons box right now. Only the finest quality here. And on we go. Last six. Last six to the next box. Straighten this before it falls over. Jonathan L. I just realized I pulled that pack off camera. Well, Jonathan, if you don't trust me, you can return it. Cody. Cody. Last three. Wow, just like that, we went from sealed to empty box in, how long has it been? Doesn't tell me. Well, what good are you, Facebook, screaming if I don't even know how long I've been doing this? From sealed box to empty box in probably a couple minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. My back hurts from this bad posture, so, you know, feels like probably longer than it was, John. Last pack. Wish you all the greatest of luck. There we go. Oh, so pretty. John L. Okay. That was fun. Let's stick this over here. Me put these right over here. Box two, here we go. Oh, they're so pretty. You know, box art today just doesn't, I don't know, I don't think it compares. I do wish I said like Urza's Destiny really nicely on the end there so you can store them like this and they'd still look okay, but, excuse me. Beautiful, beautiful boxes, but it's got this stupid plastic wrap on it. We're gonna have to fix that. Oh, there we go. Do not to be reused in any way. Sorry for the noise, clearing up some of this clutter here. Okay. Whoa, here we go again. Let's get out of the way. Jeremy H. You'll notice there's some blanks in this list. I tried to hold some back for myself. I think there's like 14 unallocated packs. A couple of them are waiting for payment. I might sell the rest if you want to hit me up. But I'm probably just going to keep them and open them myself. But Jeremy H. But if you really want one and you missed out, let me know. These were different envelopes. I didn't expect to do 2 boxes, so I only had like 40 of the thicker mailers. So I actually picked these security envelopes up today. Same concept here. Still getting sealed up, and I'll just, I'll pack these with some additional reinforcement that the others won't need. Everything's going to go out reinforced in a bubble mailer, tracked shipping, and everything like that, so it's no big deal. But I love those semi-rigid photo mailers are the best for shipping really anything from packs to singles. Thomas J. There you go. Robert. Something about doing revised again next. I don't know. I've got a couple boxes of revised left. I've got some Urza's block, but it's so nice I don't think I'm going to pack it out. It's just boxes are too nice a condition. Maybe, I don't know, Stronghold or something. We'll see. This is a lot of fun in some ways. I like to be able to keep some of the packs for myself because, I want to open them, but it's hard to, I don't want to open like an entire box of Stronghold or Urza's or something like that. I mean, Stronghold would make sense. You could open Stronghold and grade it and probably make money, but Urza's, unless you get some of the key foils or one of the Error Judge promos, they were mistakenly added, 1 in a million or whatever. You're not going to, even if you grade Urza's, you're not going to make money. It's just for nostalgia and fun, and I think we're still over here. This one feels high. I'm talking and not paying as much attention as I should, but whatever. It's still a sealed pack. Here you go. I think Strongholds are really underpriced right now. If you look at the EV, it is a scary high EV for as old as that box is. Full disclosure, I do have quite a few boxes of it, but definitely trying to buy some more too. That one's for me. Hey, another one of mine. All right. And another one of mine. Fantastic. Actually, I think... What was I? I don't know. Let's start here. I think, yeah, whatever. I think 11, is reserved for someone that has not quite paid yet. Look back at the Shine Up sheet. Brian R. Here you go. One. I think I had 14 packs unallocated here. Maybe that's too many. I probably don't need 14 packs. If you want another one, let me know. If anyone, ping me. They'll stay in these envelopes. They'll stay sealed if you want them. I might sell off, maybe 3 or 4 more. Jeremy H. again. Boy, you bought a ton of these, Jeremy. Thank you. Best of luck if you crack them. Alan, here we go. Alan. Jeremy H. again. Enjoy your third of a box of Urza Saga, Jeremy H. No, you didn't get that much, but quite a few. Number 17, unassigned, up for grabs. Hey, welcome, Gregory. I finished yours. Your pack was like 5 minutes ago, Mr. Nelson. Blank one. It's unallocated. Blaze. Alrighty. There we go. Where was I? I keep looking. I have to look around the camera, so I don't know. Feels like here, but also feels like there's one missing from there. I don't know. Could have shifted around too before I opened it. All right. What is this? One of mine, or rather, yet to be sold. Another one yet to be sold. So if you want any of them, let me know. Like I said, I'll sell probably 3 or 4 more. Keep the rest for myself. Blank one. No. Wayne. All right, we're almost done. Last, what, 8 packs or so? Wayne, there you go. Jeremy H. Oh, I'm struggling with that envelope. All right, there we go. Jeremy H. Where are we at? Back here, I think. To be sold. Another to be sold. There we go. One. Here we go. All right, load it up. A few more, last 6 it looks like. All right, Brian. All right, yeah, Brian. Yeah, right here. Okay. Brian, there you go. Whoops. Blank, number 30. Whoever wants number 30, let me know. There you go. All right, those of you, if anyone joined late, plan is to get all these out by Monday. It is quite a few shipments, so it might take me until Tuesday to get some of the tracking uploaded. But yeah, the plan is everything out Monday, Tuesday at the latest. Christopher J. And I'm just simply out of things to say at this point in the video. I'll bring music next time. That'll be more fun. Christopher J. Maybe do some revised or Urza Saga or something if I can find a box that's not quite as nice as the one that I don't want to open. Jeremy. Ray. There you go. All right. Last 3, I think. Yep, last 3. There you go, Ray. Unassigned. Ooh, that's a nice pack. Someone should buy that pack. Jim. Last pack. Here we go. That feels nice. Okay. well, that was fun. We went from 2 sealed boxes to 2 empty boxes in record time. Everybody enjoy the packs. I'll get you tracking, and if I have time, I'll take a photo of each one and upload it. We'll see how that goes, but definitely tracking will get uploaded here Monday or Tuesday. Well, thank you all very much. Appreciate it. I will probably keep doing this as long as I can get some good boxes that are good candidates. It'll be interesting to open or pack out. So, all right. Thanks, everybody. Have a good night.